What's going on, guys? I'm Nick from Make It Mazio, and today I'm going to show you how to make this quick, simple, easy, DIY friendly, inexpensive, yet thoughtful and romantic gift that you can make for any special occasion or Valentine's Day. All you need is wood, paint, and a rotary tool or a drill, which we'll get into later. So come on, I'll show you how I did this. So these first steps are just me prepping the boards. You wouldn't have to do this if you got your lumber pre-cut from the home center, and I'm just screwing the curved board into a piece of plywood to keep it straight and then transferring over my design. You could really change this up and do any kind of design that you wanted. I tried to stay away from making any tight curves that would be hard for me to cut out, and I picked this design because my wife and I both love nature. And this is a carving bit that I used with the Dremel. Really any rotary tool will work here, or even a drill could work with that bit in it. And I really just made a light pass here because I'm going to paint over all of these lines. I just wanted to know where the lines were going to be. And then I just painted over the whole surface, including the edges, and then I let it dry with some help from the heat gun because I'm super impatient. Now going back, I carved into the same lines that I made before, and I noticed that it was leaving quite a burr on the edges from the paint, so by angling the tool I was actually able to get really crisp, clean lines. Thank you everyone for watching this quick and simple video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you can make something similar, and remember to make, create, and do what you love. Thanks, guys.